Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Abrar. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can make a live USB persistence of Kali Linux. So all you need is an USB at least 8 GB. I'm using 32 GB. You can use at least 8 GB. So connect it to your computer. And you will need some files. You will need a Kali Linux live file. I will put the link in the description. You can download it from there according to your motherboard, 32-bit or 64-bit, and balena etcher, or you can use ruffers. So let's start it. Run it balena etcher as administrator. Accept. So after installing, select the image file and you can change it. It is selected as default external device, and everything is ready. Just click on flash. It will start flashing. After flashing, it will validate the file. It will take some time. It is almost done. Now restart your system and boot it from USB. On boot up, press your boot key. In my case it is F12. Continuously press it and then choose USB from the boot menu. Here it is, the Kali Linux boot menu. From here select live USB persistence. And here it is, Kali Linux live USB persistent is booted successfully. You can do all the things which you want from a Kali Linux operating system. Terminal is working perfectly. Let's check it out. And here it is, root is working. As you can see, everything is working in live USB persistence. Subscribe to our channel for latest technology videos and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you find any problem, just comment below.